We have got our Snowflake clutch and supply kit. This is a beautiful little design, perfect for Christmas. You can purchase it as the design alone, or you can buy it as a kit. So we have two different options for the kits. We have it available in blue. So for the supplier kits, you'll receive 2 rolls of faux leather. For the blue, you'll get the navy, and you'll also get the reptile white. You'll also get a 3-pack of 13.5-inch zippers. These ones you'll get the white tape with the crystal blue. So there's that one.
Just show you the zipper inside.
Open it. So the zipper's all done in the hoop. It looks really elegant, perfect for Christmas parties or Christmas dinners, Christmas presents. It's perfect size for your little knickknacks.
And you'll definitely get enough. You won't just get one purse out of these.
You'll be able to make multiple with what you've got, with what you get in the kit, so you can make some matching sets. We then have the kit available in the red colourway, so you'll get the antique grain burgundy, you'll also get the gold faux leather, and then you'll get a 3-pack of 13.5-inch zips in the black tape with the ruby teeth and pull. So they look completely different when they're done in the different colours. I think maybe they're both super elegant, but maybe one could be used more for nighttime, or one maybe for daytime, or just colour coordinating your Christmas clothes, really.
You know what I think, Deanna? I think that we should use them for the Christmas party.
Oh.
Because this matches your dress.
Yes.
This matches mine.
Yes, for our Christmas party coming up. That will be very fun. And Emma designed this this purse. It's really beautiful. The detail in the snowflake is gorgeous. She's done a lot of, even with the detail around the satin stitching on the scalloped edges of the snowflake is really beautiful. So I think this is a great purse for a gift for yourself. It looks so different to anything else we've done as well, so we're really excited about that one. But as I said, you don't have to buy the kit if you are not particularly fond of the colours. You can pick whatever colours you would like. I've seen a few other people use very different colours and they all look very different, but all beautiful. So with the kit, the price of the kit is equal to the price of the physical products combined. So you end up getting the design for free. So it's a great way to get a deal, get the design, get the products you need, and then be able to make some more purses out of it as well. Because like Cassie said, you'll get more than one purse out of the rolls and the zips that you've received.
What size do these come in, Deanna?
So this design comes in 4 sizes. It comes in the 5x7, 6x10, 7x12, and the 9.5x14 size hoops. The bag is completely lined and finished beautifully in the hoop. Everything's done in the hoop, the zips, the tabs, all of it. So,
and this is our 6x10 design, this sample here.
Yep.
It's perfect size for your phone and all your little bits that you need.
Christmas crackers.
Oh yeah.
So yes, that's our Snowflake clutch supply kit.